Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: exquisite, very beautiful and delicate. Synonyms: beautiful, lovely, elegant, graceful, adorable, polished, refined, perfect. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: ordinary, ugly, unrefined, careless, dull, horrible, flawed. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: look at this exquisite painting. Another example can be given: she has exquisite taste. Catastrophic, a sudden event that causes very great trouble or destruction. Synonyms: disastrous, fatal, ruinous, tragic, cataclysmic, calamitous. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: blessed, fortunate, happy, successful, advantageous. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: losing his job was a financial catastrophe for his family. Elusive, difficult to find, catch or remember. Synonyms: evasive, slippery, subtle, tricky, volatile, ambiguous, fleeting, puzzling. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: definite, stable, understandable, attractive, enticing, intelligible. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: success, however, remained elusive for him. Another example can be given: even to his acute sense of hearing, the sound was too elusive. Tout, convince or persuade people to buy goods or services. Synonyms: praise, proclaim, promote, tip, urge, publicize, boost, glorify, laud, trumpet. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: blame, condemn, conceal, hide, discourage. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: there were hundreds of taxis at the airport, all touting for business. Another example can be given: he is being widely touted as the next leader of the party. Predominant, more noticeable or important than others, or having superior strength. Synonyms: foremost, grand, greatest, superior, dominating, main. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: least, inferior, minor, trivial, unimportant, subordinate. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: in this board the predominant color is blue, right? Upbringing, a particular way of bringing a child or parenting. Synonyms: raising, bringing up, training, fostering, breeding, nurture. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: adulthood, maturity, inelegance, disheartenment, inexperience. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: your parents' upbringing is totally different to mine. Rapid, fast, quick or sudden, happening at a short time or at a great rate. Synonyms: speedy, swift, express, hasty, active, lightning, hurried. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: delayed, slow, sluggish, tardy, languishing, leisurely. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: there has been a rapid change in the world economy due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Ultimate, final or most important. Synonyms: eventual, closing, end, extreme, furthermost, terminal, conclusive, most significant. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: beginning, first, lowest, extra, introductory, secondary, inessential, least. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, I will reach my ultimate goal of becoming a scientist. Apparent, easy to see or understand, clearly visible or obvious. Synonyms, seeming, evident, visible, outward, observable. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, unlikely, doubtful, unclear, equivocal, ambiguous. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, his happiness was apparent from the smile on his face. Another example can be given. It was a moonless night and many stars were apparent. Interpret, to explain what something means or translate. Synonyms, explain, define, clarify, convert, decipher, illustrate, portray. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, obscure, confuse, misinterpret, misunderstand, mystify. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the man interpreted what his colleague was trying to say. Cacophony, an unpleasant mixture of loud sounds. Synonyms, discord, dissonance, noise, roar, harshness, bluster. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, calm, hush, silence, serenity, lull, tranquility, still, quiet. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, as we entered the zoo, we were met with cacophony of animal sounds. Tedious, causing weariness, restlessness, or lack of interest. Synonyms, boring, monotonous, exhausting, laborious, uninteresting, tiresome. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, easy, eventful, exciting, fabulous, sensational, energizing, entertaining. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, learning a new computer program can be a tedious process. Contemplate, to think about something seriously for a period of time. Synonyms, foresee, intend, envisage, ponder, consider, think of, mull. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, neglect, reject, forget, ignore, disregard, look away, scorn, discard. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, before taking any decision, take some time and contemplate the consequence of your actions. Texture, the way something feels when you touch it. Synonyms, feel, quality, character, pattern, sense, touch, smoothness, structure. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, rough, disorganization, lot, unevenness, variability, imprecise. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the texture of the cloth material was very soft and smooth. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.